Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to have a review. The product is the Proven. If you are new to this channel, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The product is called the Proven. Looking to break the secret free viral traffic code. Secret priority algorithm drive thousands of viral visitors for beginner in just 30 minutes. This is autopilot viral traffic in 30 seconds. Built for beginner. This is also best for affiliate marketer, e-commerce, and dropshipper offline, and you will get result and win an iPad, no questions asked for 90-day money back guarantee. This is very awesome. Most of the product is just 30-day money back guarantee, and you will get this and in step one, and just three step and click one access the product, access to software. Click 2 is start the Proven algorithm. Step 3, you will sit back and relax and enjoy the secret algorithm. Also to send you thousands of viral visitor and sell in at least 30 seconds. If you are interested in this Proven product, please stay with me. I also have some exclusive bonus for you. Let's take a look at what I have the exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1 is the video course. Discover how to rank your video high on YouTube, implementing a few ninja hacks. Bonus number 2 is a set of 10 YouTube cover photo for now variety of niches. Bonus number 3, WordPress plugin, how it will help to 10x your opt-in rate very fast. Bonus number 4 is the video course. Learn how to easily utilize YouTube video editor to edit, treat, and optimize videos for high converting video marketing campaign. Bonus number 5 is a free guide. Discover the best way to market on Instagram that actually works. Bonus number 6 is a free cheat sheet. How to use Instagram stories to 10x your engagement and sales. Bonus number 7 is a free report. How to get high paying clients for your business without having a website or email list, just with your Facebook account. Bonus number 8, a click fan reminder, Google Chrome extension that allow you mass invite all Facebook users to whoever to like your post and also to your page. This is also a massive bonus for you to try traffic in different sources. Traffic is the most important thing for any online business. And also I have some free exclusive additional bonus for you. Additional bonus number 1 is how to create a 6-figure membership. Additional bonus number 2 is 100 products with resale, you can resell and keep 100% commission. Additional bonus number 3 is auto rich profit plugin. This is a WordPress plugin. Turn every Facebook post into your automatic list building machine. This is also to build your site, and you will scroll down to the bottom of the sales page. You will get all the exclusive bonus for the brand. Don't forget, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. When you press this button and go to this sales page, when you press this button, you will purchase the product. You will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. And all my exclusive bonus will included in the WordPress this blue button. So let's take a look at inside the members area. This is also a very awesome. This is also the members area is pretty simple. First of all, you will need to watch this training video. The training video is just about 3 minutes only. 3 minutes only. This is also when you create this email campaign. I have some campaign I have prepared for this campaign. Let's take a look at the campaign name. Campaign name I'm also prepared for this. I also give away. I would like to use giveaway. And then the campaign name you asked to campaign name is how to lose big fat. How to lose big fat. How to lose big fat. I will definitely to save on my time, so I try to try to copy and paste this, and also to save on my MS19. Choose the data, and I also to choose the day is choose the day. I have to the day is campaign the end. Campaign end. What was important is I have choose the campaign end. Campaign end. Why I what's important? is something wrong? I can choose the problem. No, lose the big fat, lose fat. Is it also maybe someone to use the problem before? I cannot. I can. What's problem? What's problem? This is also a very difficult problem. I cannot assist. Yes, I can. I can also. Yeah, I can. Yeah, this is also pretty awesome. What I pretty special. Why this cannot? I can select. Ah, this is also the difficulties because you can select the end game when you want to, but when you press end this button and we click this, you will have you will how to end this one, but you cannot. I think this is a problem of the software. So I'm sorry, I people know and if you want to know how to do that, you can go through the software, how to go through the training, because this is all very additional. This is an accident. I cannot choose the day and also to make a demo in front of you. So I'm sorry for this because the software cannot allow you to maybe allow me to create a second campaign because this is a demo account. So this is no matter this is very pretty awesome. You will just to see the sales, just see watch training video, and you will see how it works. So let's take a look. What inside in the what was the price and the upsell. So let's take a look. And the proven and you proven is a cloud-based application that you will generate viral traffic because this is also a giveaway, and also you will give away something. They will have to have a contest. They have to complete it and complete something text. You will have to share the post and make you will also have something you have to do because you have to different size, different price. They also have different price. When you sign up, they will also have different point. You will sign up, view, social referral, and then after they sign up, you will get a message to your subscriber, and also you can select the widget. The widget is about content appearance and setting. You will also the setting is also important for you to do before the setting is to integrate with the auto responder. That is also the auto responder. And then the step 7, you will select the social platform. The social platform is also many social platform. This is also Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Fumba, and also forget about and also they have at least 12 social platform. And then when you press this button and the last step, you will have a script. This script you will copy and paste and also install on your in your website. That's it. This is very pretty simple. This is just 7 steps. So let's take a look at what inside of you will get all this. You will get unlimited traffic to any website you wanna. This is also very awesome. Step 1, log into the proven account. Step 2, select your traffic campaign time and add some info. Step 3, push button and your traffic campaign go live. This is really awesome. This is also another reminder you have to $30 when this will the price will go up as soon as possible. So if you watch this review video and you are interested in this, I highly recommend you to grab it as soon as possible. Upsell number 1 is done for you. Upsell number 1 is done for you. $97 with come with downsell for $77. They will give you 20 proven campaign you can straight for the instant result. And you will if you have someone there, you will have grab this. Upsell number 2 is the proven license. This is also a guaranteed approval to promote this product, and you will get 100% commission. $67 and you have $47. That means you all of if you you will sell this product, you will get 100% on every funnel, included the fund and the upsell. Option number 3, you have proven diamond club is cover is $37 a month, or you have downsell with a ruby cover for $27 per month. I have all the information, so you can go through the sales, go through the process, and you will know how it works. Option number 4 is the proven unstoppable traffic. This is $67 with downside with $47. And I think it is also they have allow you to put your Facebook on or Google Pixel in their sales page, and because their sales page, because this marketer and when it has their sales page have collect many people. I think maybe over a million. You will and to grab this grab their information and also to put retargeting retargeting ad for penny very cheap traffic. Option number 4 is the proven tax credible is $39 per month. This is tax management software. You can cloud based. You can get it for yourself. Option number 6 is the proven gold miners cup is $39.7 per month. This is every month you will get access to their product and you will get a full funnel 100% commission. This is definitely if you have want to 100% because 100% on every month they produce. I highly recommend you can grab it. The proven whitelist wise, if it's also the whitelist this product, you will get every customer can do anything you want. Benefit you will and I said it in the sales page, you will begin for marketer, any marketer, you will get affiliate and get result and 90-day money back guarantee. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bonus number 5, bonus number 6, bonus number 7, bonus number 8, and also I have some exclusive bonus. Additional bonus number 1, bonus number 2, and bonus number 3. And also don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0 when you play this button and purchase the product. Even if you just purchase the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0, and you will get all my exclusive bonus in this blue button. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.